Hi everyone! Today I started uploading some of my past videos and pictures here on YouTube. Some of these memories were taken months or even years ago, and habang pinapanood ko sila ulit, ang dami ko naalalang mga masasayang moments, challenges, experiences, and even seasons in my life na hindi ko akalain na malalampasan ko. I realized that sometimes we don't notice how much we've grown until we look back at where we started. So this channel will not only be about the present but also about the memories that helped shape who I am today. I'll be sharing my old videos, pictures, everyday moments, and eventually my new journey as I continue to grow, learn, and become a better version of myself. If you've been here from the beginning, thank you so much, and if you're new here, welcome. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, one day, we'll look back today and realize how far we've come. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Tell me anong klaseng memories ang gusto nyong makita sa channel ko. God bless everyone! Forget the former things and do not dwell on the past. See, I am doing new thing. Isaiah
My vlog.
43,
Today, gusto kong
18 to
simulan ang
19.
very personal journey, my weight loss journey. Matagal ko nang gustong gawin ito pero ngayon ko lang na-realize na baka kailangan ko talagang i-document lahat. Hindi lang para makita ang progress ko, kundi para magkaroon din ako ng accountability sa sarili ko. For those who don't know, I have PCOS. Isa sa mga pangarap ko talaga is to become a mom someday. Kaya isa sa mga advice ng doctor is to lose weight para maging healthy ang body ko. Pero honestly, hindi naging madali ang journey na ito. Maraming beses na ako nagtatry magpapayat, minsan nakakabawas ng 4 kilos, tapos doon na siya magme-maintain. Minsan naman, bigla na lang ulit tataas ang timbang ko. Sa totoo lang, sobrang nakaka-discourage. May mga pagkakataon na gusto kong sumuko at isipin na baka hindi para sa akin ito. Pero this time, I want to do things differently. Instead of giving up, gusto kong i-journal ang buong journey ko. Lahat ng progress, struggles, small wins, at kahit yung mga araw na nadadapa ako. Gusto kong balikan ang mga videos na ito kapag nawawalan ako ng motivation para maalala ko kung bakit ko ito sinimulan. Hindi lang ito tungkol sa pagpapapayat. It's about becoming healthier, becoming more disciplined, taking care of the body that God has entrusted to me. At paghahanda rin kung ipagkakaloob ni Lord na maging mommy balang araw.